So, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss classification of polynomial. So, classification of polynomial. Okay. In last class we have discussed the polynomial. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss the classification of polynomial. We can classify the polynomial according to based on degree. Based on degree and one another classification can be based on terms. So let me discuss based on degree. So based on degree we can classify the polynomial into some parts like 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Okay. When degree is 0 we called it constant polynomial. Okay. Constant polynomial. The example of constant polynomial can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1000, 1 lakh, etc. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the constant polynomials. You can see here the highest power of variable is 0. Means इसकी degree, the degree of the polynomial is 0. You can see here there is no variable. 1 x 1 is 1. We can write 1 into x power 0, 2 into x power 0, 3 into x power 0. Because x power 0 means what? X power 0 means that is 1. So 1 into x power 0, that is 1. X power 0 means 1. That is 1. That is 2. So we can say 0, 1, 2, 3 are the constant polynomial. The value of highest power of the variable is 0. So these are the constant polynomial. Degree is 0. So we can say that is constant polynomial. And for 0 there is special name, that is 0 polynomial. We called 0 as a special polynomial, that is the 0 polynomial. Okay. Now come to degree 1. We called 1 degree of polynomial is linear polynomial. That is linear polynomial. Which polynomial has a degree 1? That is linear polynomial. Okay. So we can take example of linear polynomial as x plus 1, t and y plus 7. Okay. Here highest power is 1. Highest power is 1. Highest power is 1. So all these are linear polynomial. Why? Because the highest power, their degree is 1. So we can call it linear polynomial. The general equation of linear polynomial can be ax square, ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. That is the general term of linear polynomial. Here you can see the highest power of the variable means x. Highest power is 1. So that is linear polynomial ax plus b. Highest power is 1, degree is 1, so that is linear polynomial. But why I written the a not equal to 0? If a can be 0, this will become b. If a becomes 0 here, this will become b. So b means what? B means that is the constant polynomial. So again it will not remain the linear polynomial if a becomes 0. So for linear polynomial the general term should be ax plus b, where a should not be 0. If someone say what is linear polynomial, what we will write? We will write a polynomial which can be written in the form of ax plus b where a not equal to 0 is called linear polynomial. Okay, we can, the example can be x plus 1 t y plus 7 anything. Okay, where the highest power is 1, that can be the example of linear polynomial. Now come to 2 degree. So for 2 degree we give the name of quadratic. Okay, so example can be x square plus x, t square, y square plus 7. Here you can see highest power is, here highest power is 2, means degree is 2. Highest power is 2, that means degree 2. Highest power is 2, that is quadratic. So all these examples are quadratic. All these examples of quadratic. So these are the examples of quadratic. Okay, because highest power is 2. Highest power is 2, degree is 2. So these are the example of quadratic. Now it's a general equation. Here general terms. ax square plus bx plus c x plus d, ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0 is the general term of quadratic. Here you can see highest power is 2. Highest power is 2. So degree is 2. So this is the quadratic. So we can define the quadratic as an algebraic expression written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0 is called quadratic. Okay, here you can see highest power is 2. Again, why I said a not equal to 0? If a becomes 0, this will become bx plus c. a become a equal to 0, 0 into x square, that is 0. तो ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, that becomes 0. ये पूरा क्या बन जाएगा, 0 बन जाएगा. तो ये becomes bx plus c. तो ये क्या बन, that will be bx plus c. So this will become linear. अब if, that's why I am saying a should not be 0. Okay, otherwise it will not be quadratic, it will become linear. So the general equation of quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c. Very important. The general equation of quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0 is called quadratic. Okay, please remember. Now come to 3 degree of polynomial. There is a special name, cubic polynomial. The 3 degree polynomial we call cubic. 3 degree के polynomial को हम cubic कहते हैं. ठीक, इसके एग्जाम्पल कैन बी एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 5 1, या और यू कैन राइट टी क्यूब प्लस टी, या और वाई क्यूब प्लस 5. Here you can see highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. Here degree is 3, degree 3, degree 3. So all these examples are of cubic. सभी एग्जाम्पल किसके, क्यूबिक के हैं. ठीक, हाईएस्ट पावर 3 है, हाईएस्ट पावर 3, हाईएस्ट पावर 3, ऑल दीज एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ क्यूबिक. ठीक, ओके. देन जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ क्यूबिक इज ax cube plus bx plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. That is the general equation of cubic. Okay, so cubic can be defined as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0 is called cubic of the polynomial. Okay, again why a not equal to 0? If a becomes 0, this will become bx plus cx plus bx square cx plus d. This will become quadratic. If a becomes 0, this will become quadratic. Bx square plus cx plus d, that is quadratic. Okay, that's why a should not be 0. So the general equation of cubic is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0 is quadratic. Okay, so what you learn? Zero, we call 0 degree as the 0 degree polynomial is constant polynomial. 1 degree polynomial is linear. 2 degree polynomial we call quadratic. 3 degree polynomial we call cubic. 0 degree constant, 1 degree linear, 1 degree linear, 2 degree quadratic, and 3 degree cubic. 0 degree constant, 1 degree linear, 2 degree quadratic, 3 degree cubic. Okay. Yep. And the general term of linear is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0, and quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, where ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, and the general term of cubic is ax plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. So this is the classification of based on degree. Now we can also classify based on terms. We will discuss this on next class. For तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. ओके.